Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see the A sound. The A sound means A. Okay. Now look at each picture and read the word below. This sounds like am. What is this? Jam. Yes, what is this? Jam. Jam. Likewise, we will read all one by one. Okay. Ram. Am. This is am sound. Again, I am repeating. Okay. So first is jam, ram, yam. Now an. Can, man, pan. Now ap sound. Cap, nap, tap. Again I am repeating. Repeat with me, all of you. Am, jam, ram, yam. An, can, man, pan. Ap, cap, nap, tap. Okay. At, cat, hat, mat. Again at. This is cat, hat, mat. Now we will read one by word. Okay. Can, man, pan. Cat, hat, mat. Cap, nap, tap. Jam, ram, yam. Okay children, please do practice and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please share videos with your friends and families. Till then, bye, take care.